A bacon strip, if you will. As greasy as it is delicious, and as timeless as infinity. It is the middle ground between meat and the gods, between culinary science and cooking superstition. It lies between the pit of a man's hunger and the summit of his appetite. This is a dimension of cuisine, an area which we call epic mealtime.
Well then, it's that time of year again. Halloween, festivity of everybody dressing up in costumes, trick-or-treating, getting candy. And we got all these meats in front of us. You know what that means, right?
Yep, vegan's worst nightmare.
If I can hit like 5 or 6 reps with this, this will be a PR for me, so that'll be good.
With all these meats in front of us, we're gonna be celebrating Texas Chainsaw Massacre barbecue.
Want to celebrate a murderous hillbilly.
Do the chainsaw.
Did it work?
That's not how it's done.
Let me try it on your hand.
Okay. Katu! Murata! Also i moment.
Hey, did someone order brisket?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey, is this where they film Epic Mealtime? I love it. Love bacon in a bottle.
Special. We're the John Carpenter of the culinary game, the Spaghetti Kruger of cooking maneuvers. We wrote the Necronomicon of straight up nom-nomenon, whatever we cook up. By watching this video, you have just activated the lament configuration for a culinary plane of existence you are not ready for. This ain't no bitch cooking show, boy. We're the Cenobites of the kitchen, and other recipes out there ain't shit. But we're killing the game like we're the pinhead of meal prep. Anything else is just a dumbass teenager running in the wrong direction and tripping over nothing along the way. Like I said, we're straight up killing them. This is the Epic Mealtime Halloween special. We're taking it to the next level with this Texas Barbecue Massacre meatloaf and a simultaneous homage to the horror game and the barbecue game. We started cooking up all types of meat. We plan on giving you so many levels of meat sweat you never wake up from this meat mare. And that ain't even a bad thing, because a meat mare to some is a dream to us. Let's dive into this deliciously meaty dream like we were living on Elm Street.
Wow. That looks like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre barbecue meatloaf if I've ever seen one.
And whoever finished this did a better job than we would have done, because this is not what I was expecting.
No, I do this. I mean,
Lynch, maybe Lynch.
It's possible. Or Santos.
Santos?
We gotta get Santos for bites
For
anyway.
bites, yeah, let's go grab him. He's downstairs, I think.
This is bad.
Yeah, but shout out to Santos, first time being possessed.
I'm gonna eat your dicks like balut.
This is really, really bad.
Trust me, I have a plan. Do what I say.
Balut. I want balut. Give me balut. You will burn in Filipino hell, and your dicks will be eaten.
What's with the eating thing, though?
Stay focused and follow the plan.
The power of bacon compels you!
Louder!
The power of bacon compels you!
Bacon? Nothing more compelling than bacon.
here we go, guys. Texas Chainsaw Massacre meatloaf, fully loaded with chicken breast, brisket, ribs,
Chicken.
and surrounded by ground beef covered in a bacon weave.
I think we did a good job on the internal temperature of all these meats because they all taste delicious. Not to mention the char flavor. Let's get a piece of sausage, see where that's at.
Let me see what this thing's about right now.
That's a qual sausage. There is fresh jalapeno in this sausage. It's actually not dry.
No.
I'm not sure if it's the meat that contains the juices within it or the actual juices from the ground beef being absorbed by the other meats, but still delicious.
I got a little meat juice right there.
Yeah.
It's still a little juicy. Just kill me and send me to barbecue heaven.